Welcome all. This is our lecture 44, and in this lecture we will cover the topic creating and editing slides. How can we create a particular slides or create a particular PPT? Basically, a PPT, a PowerPoint presentation, is a collection of different slides. Okay, how can we create these slides? How can we edit these particular slides? How can we delete a particular slide? Okay, so let's start our today's topic. Now the first question is how to add slides to a presentation. Simply click on the new slide. This menu, this icon is available in the home screen as well. You can directly call it or click it from the home menu. From the list of slides, you can select the layout, or we can say you can choose a particular type of slide. If you want to, what type of slide you want, title only or title with description, or you want to add any image, you want to add any image with description, or you want to add a slide which will differentiate between two terms. Okay, these all these types on many more types slides are available by default in the new slide option. Okay, by selecting anyone as you want, this will appear in the slide pane. As look at on your screen, this is the interface of Office 2007 screen. And here the menu is also available. From here you can only check the slide pane. As you will click on the home button, you will get the slide option here, and after selecting these, these slides will adding here. Our next question is how to make a PowerPoint slide. Okay, what is the procedure? What is the process by which we can prepare, we can edit, or we can manipulate a particular slide? Here are some steps. By following these, you can create these slides. First of all, you have to open the Microsoft PowerPoint in your device. If a page with template, when you will open the presentation app, this will show many by default options, and these by default options are called templates. You can select any type of template as per your need. Okay, but if you want to add, you want to create your own one, then you will select new presentation, or okay, blank presentation. You will select a blank one. Okay, but if your content, your idea will allow you to choose a particular template, so you can prefer that particular. Okay, As you have select the blank presentation, then you have to add your particular slides. If you have select the blank presentation, then this will not show the predefined slides in this, as the template allows you to just only edit the slides. It will contain the related matters by default. Okay, but in blank slides you have to put all your content by yourself. To add a new slide, we have new slide button in the home menu. Now you will select by yourself what kind of content, what kind of text, images and videos you want to put in your presentation. Here is a standard amount that you should put 6 to 8 lines only, or 30 words in a slide. Okay, and the minimum size should be 24 point. You can choose this one from the size option, from the size menu. This is the standard, but in many presentations you can check, you can see there are many contents, but standard and by default you have to choose, you have to put only 6 to 8 lines in a slide. Keep this point in your mind. Okay, and after writing these lines you have to explain your content, your ideas as much you can. As you can see in my slides, here you can check 8 to 9, 8, 9, 10. Only these slides, only these lines are available on the screen, and after taking these lines I will explain these. So this is the procedure to present your PPT. Now you can add your pictures by clicking on insert button. Insert is also available in the top ribbon. Okay, and by default you can add some pictures, some graphics, some videos by dragging and drop option of the mouse. So class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.